Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this episode of Less Crochet, I'm working on a beautiful flower arrangement for my peep for the Love is in the Air Blizzard Festival. So you can see the colors of yarn I have. I swear I started out with more blue. You'll need more than that. But I got all my handy dandy stuff along with my peep. So let's get started. All right. So right now I'm just going to create the headband of love that I am going to sew all of my flowers onto. And we're going to speed this thing up super quick. And this is just a fun, easy pattern to where you have a headband, you sew on flowers, and then you sprinkle hearts all around peep. Or you could actually sew the hearts into the headband as well. That is an option. So we're coming up on the last row because this is only a 3-row single crochet. Something super easy. We don't need anything too fancy because it's going to be covered up by the flowers. So once we get to the end, just snip off. Tie off your yarn and sew it together, making sure not to twist your work. And it's always fun when you have projects where it's like your sewing doesn't have to be perfect. And voila, a headband of love. Next, which I swear this is the color purple, but my camera decides it looks more blue, we are going to crochet a flower. Now for this pattern that I'm doing, you'll end up making multiple flowers in different colors and everything, but just for this video purposes, we're just going to do it in, I swear it's the color purple. It's actually a very bright, vibrant purple, but you know, cameras are fickle sometimes. And if you want to have a slower version on how to crochet a flower like this, I'll actually link that down in the description below on how to do a crocheted flower. Once we finish crocheting all the petals, we'll snip off our yarn and go ahead and fasten off our work. And then this is where the real magic takes place. Get our tapestry needle ready, and then we just kind of spiral it on itself. And then we just stitch through the bottom and stitch the whole thing together. Making flowers is actually really fun. And there you have it, the I Swear It's Purple flower. Next, we are going to work on crocheting a heart. And again, for this project, you'll end up making hearts in multiple colors. And if you'd like to know how to crochet a heart, I'll put down in the description below on my tutorial on how to crochet a quick, super easy heart. So it starts out with being double crochets. So to make the heart, you would have to know how to do a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble crochet. And I have videos for those as well. Everything is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now we're going to snip our yarn and we're going to do a slip stitch into the center of the heart and fasten off our work, and then pull that center string taut and tie off our ends and give it a snip, and voila, a heart. So now we're going to sew the flowers onto the hat or headband of love. Looks amazing. And we have Pepe in love. So adorable. Sprinkled with hearts of love. If you found this video fun, I hope you give it a like, and I do hope that you have a happy, love-filled crochet day.